is Padi, the Professional Association of Diving Instructors, a worldwide organization of professional instructors, assistant instructors, dive masters, international service offices, and professional dive centers and resorts. An organization that now teaches the vast majority of the world's recreational divers. An organization that promotes diving safety and public participation in diving. An organization that represents its member dive masters, assistant instructors, dive centers, and resorts in the general community and before governments. An international diver training and educational association dedicated to leadership and customer satisfaction while conducting programs that encourage and fulfill the public's interest in diving and snorkeling. Padi's mission is to teach the world to scuba dive. And with thousands of members and millions of divers, Padi is also a growing force in the worldwide effort to preserve the underwater environment. Through Padi, millions of people scuba dive regularly, and tens of thousands of people enjoy careers as dive professionals. Together, the International Padi family trains nearly 1 million divers annually, supported by service offices in Australia, Canada, Japan, Norway, Sweden, Europe, the United Kingdom, and the United States. In many countries, Padi is larger than all other diver training organizations combined. Padi programs employ state-of-the-art instructional design to make learning both effective and fun. Supported by Padi multimedia, manuals, videos, and other materials, today's dive students begin by diving in a pool or calm water, where they learn about diving by diving and spend less time in the classroom thanks to materials that make independent study fun and effective. Padi's educational approach springs from instructional system design theory, which sequences instruction to match the stages people learn in. After their initial qualification, divers gain further experience, develop new skills, and have new adventures by taking Padi courses in night diving, deep diving, underwater navigation, rescue, and dozens of other programs. The Padi system of diver education has something for everyone from the beginner through professional in more than 24 languages. As dive industry leaders and innovators, Padi continually strives to expand and translate diver and professional materials into as many languages as possible, with the goal of training the people of the world to dive within their own languages and culture. Padi's commitment to developing quality programs and products has earned the Padi system recognition from prestigious institutions outside the dive community. These range from awards for video production and graphic design to college credit recommendations from the American Council on Education, recognition by the Australian National Training Authority, and similar accolades by educational bodies in other countries around the world. Combined with the unmatched cultural diversity of Padi professionals, more people and cultures have access to Padi programs than any other diver courses. And all Padi programs fall under strict educational standards to maintain worldwide consistency and quality. Padi takes a proactive approach to quality assurance with a full-time department that randomly surveys Padi divers to monitor Padi programs and to confirm that they meet Padi's high standards. No other diver training organization has made this commitment to ensuring quality education. Each Padi instructor becomes a professional by completing diving's most comprehensive and demanding instructor training process, the Padi Instructor Development Course. Prior to entering an instructor development course, potential Padi instructors must successfully complete training in diver rescue and in supervising both certified divers and divers in training. And they must also qualify by meeting the industry's most stringent experience requirements before enrolling in an instructor development course. But completing the instructor development course isn't enough. Instructor candidates must demonstrate their teaching abilities by successfully completing a comprehensive 2-day instructor examination conducted by personnel from one of Padi's offices. Only then do they qualify as Padi open water scuba instructors. Padi dive centers and resorts also play pivotal parts in the Padi organization. These operations are supported by the Padi International Resort and Retailer Associations, which provide business education, consulting, and the largest package of membership benefits in the industry. These dive operations not only have Padi professionals on staff, but offer equipment, dive travel, and other important diver services. This makes Padi dive centers and Padi resorts the center of the dive community and the places most divers go for all their diving needs. The Padi 5-star dive center rating denotes those dive centers that meet exceptional standards in education, in community involvement, and in supporting the environment. Padi instructors, dive centers and resorts, supported by Padi's international offices, have set diving's highest standards for quality and excellence in diver education. And that's what makes Padi the way the world learns to dive.